In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a modern minimalist invoice in Microsoft Word. We'll be building a clean, professional layout from scratch using a blank Word document, simple formatting tools, and a few design choices that make the final result look polished without being complicated. The goal here is to create something that feels contemporary and easy to read while still being practical for everyday use. To begin, open a blank Word document. Before adding any content, it's a good idea to adjust the page layout so you have a little more usable space to work with. Go to the Layout tab, select Margins, and choose Narrow. This instantly gives your document a tighter, more modern feel and helps maximize space, which is especially useful when you're designing something structured like an invoice. Starting with the margins first also makes it easier to keep the overall composition balanced as you build. Next, add a colored accent bar along the side of the page to give the invoice a clean visual identity. To do that, go to Insert, then Shapes and choose Rectangle. Draw a tall rectangle along one side of the page. Once it's in place, apply a color that matches the style you want. A muted blue, charcoal, green, or another understated tone usually works well for a minimalist design. Try to keep the bar sleek rather than oversized since it should support the layout instead of overpowering it. This small design element can make the document look much more intentional and professionally styled. After that, set up your typography using a modern font such as Arial or Calibri. These fonts are simple, highly readable, and ideal for a minimalist document. As you format your text, create a clear hierarchy by using bold styling for section headers and keeping regular text clean and consistent. This contrast helps guide the reader through the invoice naturally. For example, headings should stand out immediately while supporting details should remain neat and easy to scan. Consistency is key here, so once you choose your font style and header emphasis, keep it uniform throughout the document. Now insert a sleek, minimalist table for the line items. Keep the table structure clean and uncluttered so the information is easy to read at a glance. A simple layout with subtle formatting will usually look more modern than anything too heavily bordered or decorative. The table should feel organized and professional, matching the rest of the invoice design. Once everything is in place and you're happy with the overall look, save the document so your invoice template is ready to use whenever you need it.